Do you suffer from embarrassing menopausal hot flushes? Are you bothered by those dreaded night sweats? Well, now there's something that can significantly reduce all these symptoms of menopause naturally. It's called LadyCare. Over 300,000 women are enjoying its benefits.
It's just a wonderful product, and I would not have believed it would work, but it definitely does work.
To me, it's just, I'm living life like I used to when I was much younger.
I absolutely love the LadyCare. It has changed my life. I feel a lot better. It really does work.
I am absolutely thrilled with the LadyCare.
I feel as if LadyCare has given me more energy, has taken away my fear of what menopause is like. I feel more confident.
Thanks to LadyCare, this revolutionary new natural treatment, women are now sleeping better, feeling more confident, enjoying life more, and even losing weight too.
The LadyCare product has changed my life, really, made me feel so much better.
The sweating at night was my most concern. It was awful. I hated waking up so hot all the time. And the LadyCare stopped that instantly.
I've had a superb experience with LadyCare. I would say that at the beginning I was completely sceptical about it as well. I mean, who would have thought that something like that would completely change somebody that was going through the menopause? It's just fantastic.
LadyCare is a small and discreet device that attaches simply and comfortably to your underwear.
LadyCare is amazing because it is so simple to use.
LadyCare is a unique patented treatment that is proven to help the symptoms of menopause naturally. Designed, developed and made in the UK, it works by rebalancing hormone levels without the use of drugs.
I went away with my boyfriend for a week, didn't take it, don't know why, but I just didn't take it, and within a day or two I was getting my palpitations back, my hot sweats back, and I just did not feel brilliant. So obviously as soon as I got back home, pop it back on and it was great.
Hello, my name's Vivian Krieger and I'm here to tell you about LadyCare, a fantastic new treatment for the menopause that's already helped many thousands of women. To find out more about LadyCare and how it works, I've come to Harley Street in central London. This is an area famous for its medical expertise. I'm here to talk to Dr. Nigel Eccles, the medical director of the Chiron Clinic, a qualified medical doctor with a special interest in naturopathic medicine. Dr. Eccles, you've been looking closely at LadyCare and at the amazing results it's produced. What have you discovered?
Well, we did a big national survey of over 500 women, and we monitored women's progress using the LadyCare device over a 3-month period. And actually we were quite staggered to see what the results were in that both the physical symptoms, the hot flushes, the night sweats, the intimate dryness were all significantly improved, as were some of the emotional symptoms like irritability and emotional disturbance. And in fact, when I say significantly improved, we were looking at differences of 66% reduction. So quite dramatic and quite surprising.
So do you recommend LadyCare to your patients here at the Chiron Clinic?
Yes, I do. And the reason I do is because the Chiron Clinic's philosophy is based around 2 key things. One, to offer solutions which are effective, but also non-invasive and safe. And LadyCare does fit those criteria very nicely.
So how does LadyCare work?
Well, that's an interesting question. The truthful answer is we're not absolutely certain of the exact mechanism, but some preliminary research that we've done shows that it does seem to have a balancing effect on 2 things. One, the female sex hormones, and secondly, part of the nervous system which controls some of the symptoms which are involved in menopause.
I have to say, it probably saved my relationship because as far as my husband was concerned, he was just so fed up sleeping next to this hot, sweaty mess night after night. So he'd actually moved out into the spare room. But after 3 months using the LadyCare, he was definitely back in the bedroom.
It really has made a huge difference to my life. With the irritability, that's gone. The hot flushes diminished right down. It just makes you feel really good. You've got an overall feeling of well-being.
Now, many women choose HRT, hormone replacement therapy, when they realise they're starting to go through the menopause. Should they be concerned that these types of drugs might have side effects?
Well, they should be concerned that there are potential side effects. Let me just say that HRT is an effective solution to menopause symptoms. However, there are some downsides to HRT, and primarily they are that it does seem to increase the risk of things like stroke, of breast cancer, we know, of cardiovascular disease, and also of dementia. So there are concerns about these increased risks.
What about LadyCare? Does LadyCare have any side effects?
Well, this is another amazing thing that I have to report from the trials and my own personal experience, is that it seems to be effective without any side effects, and that is absolutely amazing.
I feel just normal again. It's just a normal feeling that, you know, I don't wake up wet in the morning, my heart's not racing, that, you know, I'm not going to be plagued by heavy bleeding, so I feel, yeah, more energetic. My skin feels better. LadyCare has just completely balanced me. I don't know whether that's the right word to use, but it just balanced the way I feel.
I don't understand how it works, but it does seem to be working for me. I would recommend it to anybody. I mean, I think it's absolutely amazing.
Obviously, as women get older and they go through the menopause, we expect all kinds of changes to take place within our bodies and also the way we feel about life. And something like LadyCare can make a big difference to our quality of life.
I did try a few herbal things, which didn't have any effect really at all. So I guess this was a last resort, really. And when I saw the advert, I thought, well, it's got to be worth a try. And it was fantastic.